Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about this transitional process and the rotational process in computer-aided design, useful in Gujarat Technical University students, useful for the Gujarat Technical University students especially. So what is required to be understood, that is P dash is equal to P into T, where P dash is the point to be obtained. First of all, translation means what? The translation means this triangle is to be transmitted in x direction by 4 unit, in y direction by 3 unit. Means this 1 position, this 2 position and 2 position indicates x and y coordinates of that point. Now that 1 point in x direction, it is transmitted by 4 units, so 1 is now become 5, and y direction is transmitted by 3 units, so 1 becomes 4. In the same manner, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 6, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So in order to obtain the P dash, in order to obtain this value, which kind of matrix T is required with the previous one unit, with the previous one matrix. This triangle create a matrix of 1 1, 2 1 and 2 2, and it is needed to be converted in terms of 5 4, 6 4 and 6 5. So by multiplication of this matrix 1 0 0, 0 1 0, Tx, Ty and 1, where Tx is the x directional transmission and y direction transmission. Tx is equal to 4 here and Ty is equal to 3 here. Okay. Now let's discuss about the rotation part. The rotation meaning P dash is needed to be obtained by P into R, where R is this special matrix cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, and this is homogeneous coordinate system, that's why it is 0 0 1 0 0 1. How this matrix is obtained, let's discuss about these things. So I am taking any line with the length r here, and it is right now at a theta angle and needed to be rotated in terms of delta theta in anti-clockwise direction, as you are seeing from here. So delta theta is the anti-clockwise direction, and we are taking the rotation of the plane with reference to origin. Okay, these two things are by default consideration in terms of rotation matrix. So P, the first P point is x and y. I can say that in terms of r cos theta and r sin theta as per the triangle rule. So P is equal to xy, it means x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So P dash, which is needed to be obtained here, that is what r cos theta plus delta theta, and y dash is equal to r sin theta plus delta theta. So that mathematical formulation of cos theta plus delta theta, cos delta theta minus sin theta sin delta theta, r remains same, and here sin theta plus delta theta, sin theta cos delta theta plus cos theta sin delta theta. Putting r value inside the bracket, so it becomes r cos theta cos delta theta minus r sin theta sin delta theta, and r sin theta cos delta theta plus r cos theta sin delta theta. That r cos theta is equal to nothing but x, and r sin theta is nothing but y. Here also r sin theta becomes y and r cos theta becomes x. So putting those values inside this formulation, so P dash will be x cos delta theta minus y sin delta theta, and y cos delta theta plus x sin delta theta. Suppose I want to prepare a matrix of the P dash, then it will give me a value of x y into cos delta theta. Generally this matrix is converted or multiplication is done in this manner. So x cos delta theta minus y sin delta theta and x sin delta theta plus y cos delta theta. So this is the matrix obtained. Now I am putting homogeneous coordinate system into it. So it will give me an answer in terms of x, y, 1. The third one, h value will be 1. Actually it is x divided by h, x dash divided by h and y dash divided by h. But generally it is taken as a 1. And cos delta theta, sin delta theta, 1 minus sin delta theta, cos delta theta, 1, 0, 0 and 1. This is homogeneous coordinate system. But main thing is needed to be remembered, that is delta theta anti-clockwise direction is positive, clockwise direction will be the negative. If suppose rotation is take place in a clockwise direction, then you need to put up, instead of delta theta, minus delta theta is needed to be put up. Where it is gives the difference, the sign minus delta theta becomes positive here and cos terms remain same, and this sin delta theta becomes negative if the theta angle, the rotation is in positive direction, in clockwise direction. Then anti-clockwise direction becomes positive, clockwise direction angle needed to be taken negative 1, and it is needed to be taken from the origin. This is the main two basic condition in terms of rotation. And p dash is x dash y dash 1 and p is equal to x y 1, which is differentiated here. So I hope translation matrix and the rotational matrix is clear in your mind. Remember these 2 points. This will help you in terms of the next video. Whenever you see the translation matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty 1, and the rotational matrix is cos theta sin theta 1 minus sin theta cos theta 1 0 0 1. It is in terms of homogeneous coordinate system, and where delta theta is anti-clockwise direction angle and it is from the origin. If you have any questions, comment and please suggest. Subscribe. Thank you.